This is our all-in-one combo washer dryer. So we launched this in June of 2023. It's available today at independent resellers and also our large national account partners as well. So we've been amazed by the response. It has been so widely welcomed into consumers' homes. And so there's a couple reasons why it's been so popular. The first is that it is a combo, so you can wash and dry without any load transfer. So you don't have to transfer your items out of the washer to put them in the dryer, which allows you to save time. So we're able to wash and dry a full-size load in about 2 hours, but in most cases your time will actually be a little bit shorter. We've got a 4.8 cubic foot capacity, so that allows you to put in a full load. We think 10 pounds is about your normal load of mixed items, but you can certainly fill this up with a king-size comforter, a full load of towels. We'll make sure that we're delivering clean and dry clothes at the end. So this operates on a 110, so we're saving energy here. Your traditional washer operates on a 220, so you're able to save 50% of energy used when compared to a traditional electric dryer. You're also able to save space because this is the only unit that you need, and it's completely ventless using a sealed heat pump system. So our patented ventless heat pump technology allows us to really efficiently dry all of your clothes while also delivering a more gentle dry that's a little bit kinder on your items as well. So when we think about using it, it's always going to turn on to be both wash and dry. You can adjust that if you want to do just a wash or just a dry. And then you've got a ton of options to select from when you think about your cycle settings, adjusting the soil, temp, and spin that you prefer. And then we've also got built in our Smart Dispense detergent and Smart Dispense softener. So up top you can put in 50 ounces of a detergent of your choice. You can use our Smart HQ app to scan the UPC code to use any detergent that you'd like, whether that's something that is free and clear, something that is more concentrated, ton of options. And then we've also got our fabric softener, so you can put in 32 loads of, or 32 ounces of fabric softener, and so that's about 32 loads of both of those things combined. So we'll auto dose appropriately based on the weight of the items that you've loaded and what the cycle settings that you've made.
So you've got your manual for bleach, fabric softener, or detergent. Otherwise you have a reservoir here. You can dump 50 ounces of detergent, and we'll use a little bit each time, up to 32 loads worth of detergent. And that will automatically put the right amount in based on your load size and the cycle you select. And then the second one is softener. So you have bulk dispense for your softener as well. So 32 ounces, 32 loads worth of softener. When those get low, the system will tell you to refill. The reason all-in-one washers and dryers have never worked very well is because they try to use a lot of heat in a small compartment to dry. Yep. We use tremendous airflow to pull that moisture out. So we're using wind, if you will, to dry, which is easier on your clothes, and it's way faster than heat.
Let me introduce you to our latest generation E10S robot. So this robot features a backless cyclone system that can empty the robot automatically, eco-friendly, and the user doesn't require a disposable bag. So it saves on average customer $70 a year. So that's a really selling point of the robot. And as to the robot itself, it has a LiDAR sensor that can detect up to 10 meters, so it can fully detect the environment of the room, allows the robot to navigate and walk along the wall with the wall sensor, stays really close to the edge and cleans everything there. The robot also features a water tank in the back of the robot that can allow fine debris to be picked up, so that really spotless clean everything. It has a very strong vacuum power, about 4,000 Pascal, which is like double of a major competitor in the US market. In addition, it has two side brushes that can gather the dust to the center of the robot to ensure every large particle is being collected. So once the robot finishes its job, it will automatically go back to the to the self-emptying station. So all the debris will be collected inside this dustbin. So the user will just take it out and push one button to release everything. Yep, which is very convenient.
So we have our BB1200. It's a bidet, right? For those who just want to know what category does it belong in, it's just in the bidet category. It's an e-bidet, hot water. It's going to have all your, I would call it your fundamental bidet functionality. What's really new here at the end of the day is it's app connected. And why is app connected important? Really, our goal right now is to simplify the usage of bidets. In this case, it's really to do two main core elements. Number one, for the first-time user, to simplify the use of bidets. And for those who are a little bit more experienced, this app allows you to also customize your bidet experience. So we're very excited about it. Obviously, this is just really tip of the iceberg. We have a lot of other fun additional things that will be going into this software as we look at the roadmap ahead. But again, you'll be able to, from the bidet side, control all the bidet functionality. But the biggest key is it's got these preset functions that's going to allow you to really click one button and that's it. So that's we're super excited about it. It's just coming out. And I put rear wash on. I hit rear wash, right? So this is if you would be using it on the actual remote. On an app, if I set a preset, kind of the simplification, it would literally just be hit a button and it'll go through all these little buttons I'll have to press here. So this is just saying rear wash. Now I'm going to hit stop for a second. Now I'm going to put, let's just say, I'm going to put the front wash on, right? So it'll do a quick cleaning in there and then it'll come back out. And it's going to do the rear wash now, and that's purely just the angle of the nozzle on where it's going to be hitting. All right, so that'll be that. And now I'm going to say dry, right? And that's the process that you have to go at with the remote.
Haha, that's true. Sloths are known for being really slow and relaxed. They like to take their time. What other animals do you find fascinating?
This takes you a bunch of different